Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner, and today I'm going to be doing my memory planning for the week of Monday, August 6th through the 12th in my ring-bound personal planner. And then the kit I'm going to be using is actually this July Serene Seas sub box from Simply Gilded, which came with those seashells and then these sea themed stickers. And I wanted to show you guys that mine came messed up. There's a huge line where it's bent down the whole sheet right there. Originally, I had thought when I got my box, and then there's the washi. I originally thought that it was like that, like it came bent from maybe the mail carrier bent it or whatever. But then I realized that can be because it first of all is in a box, and second of all, then that means everything else would have been bent. Those other stickers that were right behind it would have been bent too, but they weren't. So yeah, so they came bent like that, but whatever. I didn't contact Irene about it or anything because I just didn't. Anyways, though, so I'm starting with the side washi, and I'm using this little mermaid scale. It's this really pretty blue, and it's got a ombre between a blue green and a little more green, and it's got gold foil. And these inserts are printed a little wonky. I don't know if you can tell, but I can definitely tell the box is too close to where the cutoff is. Not on this side that you're seeing right now, but yeah, see there? It's like on the left. It's way too close. I did not print these. These are purchased by a shop called Planning Inspired, but this was literally the only one out of a pack that gave me the whole entire year. So whatever, it's fine. And she doesn't do, her shop doesn't do, she only does printables now. So I bought those when they were on clearance because she was switching to a printable only. But anyway, so I just like to lay down this side washi so that it doesn't look all white and boring on the sides. And then I hole punch it with my little hole puncher. And then we're just going to move into the sidebar. And now when I'm doing my memory keeping, I don't use functional stuff in the sidebar, habit trackers or a weekly checkbox or nothing like that. So I just took one of the little full boxes or whatever with a seahorse and it says pretty to go there. But I'm just whitening out the lines so that way, I don't like the lines to show through. So I'm whiting those out and I'm going to put that down there. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. So after I just laid down that little strip of the washi that came in the sub box, moving on to Monday, I didn't really have a lot going on Monday. I did pick up my son, so this was the start of my, custody with him. So I wanted to lay down this little skinny, washi. It's the sea glass washi, so it matches this sub box washi, but it did not come in this sub box. That was a separate purchase. So the little 5mm one was not in the sub box. Anyway, so I used that little flag with the heart. Second right, I picked up my son, and then I'm taking this Usagi or Serena sticker crying from Binks and Bones, Lisa 15 to save, because I did a lot of cleaning that day, and I especially had a gross chore. I had to clean the litter box, deep clean, you know what I mean? When you dump all the litter out and wash it. Ew. So that was basically me while I was cleaning. So I wanted to use that, and then I just put this strip of this Skinny Words washi down at the bottom because I don't know, I felt like I didn't do a lot that day, so I just wanted something to go there. And then I want to make a full box with the washi, so I'm just going to be layering this fish washi, or no, it's fish, yeah, it's fish and starfish and stuff, with the 5mm skinny bow, and then the word washi again. And I'm just gonna make a little box like this, because Tuesday I really did not do a lot either. Tuesday the only thing I did was like just like a little bit of chores, and like I filmed a video, but like nothing, I don't know, nothing like worth marking. So I did mark though that I did clean my ring, and so I used this sticker by Stardust Stickers. It says "Clean Yo Bling." It's one of her older shoots because she actually reformatted it, but I still have those. I need to use that. And I just like to keep track of when I clean my ring because I like to clean it once a month. Well, my rings actually, my wedding rings. So I like to clean them once a month, and I just like to know, when was the last time I cleaned it? Clean them. Why do I keep saying it? And then I just put that other full box down over there on the second half of the week because I wanted to make sure that like I liked where I put it, I guess. And I kind of wanted it to be away from the side washi since it like matches, And then I remembered, oh, there's like date covers in this kit, so I put those down. And I'm using my Tombow calligraphy pen to write the dates on. And please forgive me because it's not cute at all. I am not an expert at calligraphy. I just barely got this pen. I haven't even like practiced with it. So the numbers are horrible. But I just didn't want to use my date covers. Date dots because I don't know. Like when I don't want to, like use them in my Erin Condren, like need to use them in my Erin Condren, and then I'm like, oh no, I need this date dot, but I don't have this certain amount of days because I used it in my memory keeping. Anyways, whatever. So yeah, I just wrote those on and it looks atrocious, but we will just ignore it. Anyway, so going back to Wednesday, that was actually an exciting day. We went to, me and my son went to this the library, and we had like a Harry Potter. Yeah, it was like Harry Potter. It was Return to Hogwarts. That's what it was called. Anyways, so I put that little exclamation mark flag because I was like so excited to be there. I was like geeking out. It was like amazing. Anyway, so if you want to see pictures, you can go to my personal Instagram, which I'll link down below if you like. Anyway, so yeah, so Thursday I made another full box and I used one of those seashells to put on top, and then I put the like seahorse and the little seashell, the mini seashell on Friday. And so back to Thursday, the only thing we did was it was Starbucks happy hour. It was $3 frappuccinos. And so I used my Binks and Bones kitty with the coffee. Her name is Chow Chow, even though it's hot coffee, whatever. And then I don't know why I was skipping around so much, but whatever. I skipped Friday, so I'm going to go back to it. And then I put down these like little strips of washi here. So then I can layer my weekend banner on top. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never. And then on back to Friday, it was like meet the teacher night or day, I don't know. It wasn't like it was at night. So I used this little skinny meeting header with the foiled flag with the exclamation mark. And I met my son's teacher on that day. She's very nice, and he's going into 4th grade now. Anyways, and so the weekend banner is from Rose Colored Days. It's in gold foil, and I did cut that sheet down so it'll fit in my storage because I think they come with I think it's eight weekend banners. Anyway, these like used to be my favorite. They still are. They're so stunning and just simplistic and beautiful. I love it. Anyway, so back to Saturday. Saturday we did family night. We always go to my in-laws' house every Saturday, like unless they're out of town or some usually some like one-off thing, but usually we go every Saturday. So I use that little flag with the heart. And yeah, so we went over there and had our little family night with them. That was fun. We watched this movie called Hugo on Amazon Prime, I think. Yeah, I think so. And it was really nice. It was based on a true story, or like a true person or something. Anyway, so I took those two skinny headers that said groceries and meal plan. And then I took and then I saw the fish, and then the fish said meal plan. And I was like, okay, I gotta use this huge fish. Because like when else am I gonna use that huge fish? Anyways, so then I also used the Happy Meal on Friday, the little fish. And then that adorable quarter box is from Sticker Insanity, Lisa 15 to save. Because on Sunday we watched Incredibles 2 and we loved it. And then I remembered was taking out, that's from my sampler, that sheet. I was like, oh, I have all this Harry Potter deco. Like, let me go back to, you know, Wednesday, because we had the Harry Potter Return to Hogwarts event at the library. Like, let me just decorate this whole area, and just I went wild with it. And then went back to Saturday. Sunday, and then decided I wanted to add a little bit of washi to make kind of like a little sort of small full box situation. But anyway, regarding Saturday, yeah, so I'm aware it says meal plan twice, but like, I don't know, I kind of like the way that those two little headers look at the bottom, kind of like it's like little things. But then when else am I going to use this giant fish that says meal plan? You know what I mean? So whatever. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Here's the leftovers from the kit. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Just gonna go ahead and fill it in. And I tried using this pen. This pen with the like pearl top pen came with the sub box, but as you can, like, you'll see, it wasn't writing very well, unfortunately. It was like skipping a lot, and then the like tip would kind of like jiggle around in the pen, so it was like really not good. And I had to like switch the pen because it was just like, this is not working. But anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're not and you'd like to see more from me. And definitely check the links down below, because I always link you know, coupon codes or where shops are from, my Instagram and stuff like that. Oh, I'm just grabbing the undo right here because I just wanted to move that Deathly Hallows down, because I was like, okay, I didn't even leave any room for me to write anything. But anyway, yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.